Mmm, this coffee smells so good. Yes, they serve great coffee here. Do you usually drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I do. I wouldn't survive without my morning coffee. Oh, really? Yeah. Do you make your own breakfast? No, I sometimes run late in the morning, so I just have a bowl of cereal. And when I want a hearty breakfast, I come here. How about you? I usually make quick breakfast, some toast with orange juice. What's your favorite breakfast meal? Bacon, eggs, sausages with some toast, and my cup of coffee, of course. And you? I love pancakes with some honey or maple syrup. Wow, this chicken pie is amazing. Yes, their food is always full of flavors. It's delicious. I think I can have a second helping and skip lunch. What do you usually have for lunch? A burger with some fries and iced lemon tea? Do you drink sodas? No, not really. I prefer juice. Yes, juice is a healthy option. Do you want to get some lunch later? Sure. What do you want to eat? I wouldn't mind a burger. Should have guessed that. Haha. Do you often eat fast food? Sometimes, when I feel like having one. They make their own burger patties here. They are very tasty. Yes, you're right. It's really tasty. What's your favorite snack? Chips. Me too. Do you like trying out new food? Yeah, if it's not spicy. There is a pizza place. They have the best pepperoni pizza. I love pizza. Do you want to try it out next time? Yeah, sure. Do you like pizzas? Like? No, I love them. What is your favorite topping? Pepperoni and pineapple. What's yours? Same. Pepperoni is the best. Do you know how to make a pizza? No, I have no clue about baking. Do you? Well, I usually make them using the pre-made pizza crust. Add some toppings, then put it in the oven. That sounds very easy to make. Yeah, it is. Oh, the aroma of the tea. It's relaxing. It is. Which tea are you drinking? Chamomile chamomile tea. And you? Same. This tea is actually very good for your health. Yes, it helps to lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar levels. It also helps in reducing stress and anxiety. Yes, you're right. That's why you always sleep better after drinking chamomile tea. Yes, you're right. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you back next time.